Upon a time I thought, what's the one thing I haven't got? There's not a single thing in this world I couldn't buy. That's when a gentleman caught my eye. Once or twice we went around, but now I'll tell you the thing I found. You should make your move until you know the price, 'cause gentlemen aren't nice. Just because I won't agree to take his arm, and I occasionally forget his name. He likes to call in clemency what I call charm, but I know they're all the same. I think I realized my first mistake when he cried that his heart would break. I would have thought that I was worth the sacrifice, but gentlemen aren't nice. Just because I leave him all alone for days and go about with others of his kind, he dares complain about my evil ways and drive me out of my mind. What I relate is hard to bear. I'll endure it so that I might spare you ladies. I'm not known for my good advice, but gentlemen aren't so agreeable. Love ain't a paradise, and if I told you once, I won't tell you twice. Gentlemen